A fight over skyrocketing prescription drug costs. A Maryland congressman is leading the charge to stop life-saving drugs from getting even harder to afford. WJZ is live and Megan McCorkle explains what's being done. Megan?
Well, Denise, Congressman Cummings has helped start a task force to investigate drug companies as their prices go up. Retired school teacher Chuck Ridgway is on a fixed income.
We have had to take like a little job here, a little job there to try and supplement our income.
But lately, he's noticed the cost of his pills rising.
That's a concern that there's going to be a great increase in the cost of the prescriptions.
They're complaining about the cost of prescription drugs in their own districts.
Now Congressman Cummings is fighting back, creating the Affordable Drug Pricing Task Force to help combat price gouging.
That we can't take care of Americans when they're going through illness, if we can't make sure that they're not taken advantage of, we need to go home and do something else.
In September, one drug company faced fire for raising the price of a drug used by AIDS patients 5,000% overnight.
Prescription drug costs in the United States are vastly higher than anywhere else in the world.
Experts say at least a quarter of all Americans now go without filling at least one prescription because they can't afford it. Dr. Peter Bielenson with Evergreen Health says Congress needs to allow Medicare to negotiate lower prices with drug companies.
It's outrageous that American pharmaceutical companies sell the exact same medications to other countries for half the cost or less.
As for Chuck Ridgway, he's counting costs.
Well, we have to. I mean, that's part of, trying to make your budget balance, if you want to call it that.
So he can stay healthy. And the Senate has also launched an investigation into 4 drug companies whose prices have been steadily rising. Reporting live, I'm Megan McCorkle, WJZ Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you very much, Megan. In a recent study by the Kaiser Family Foundation, 77% of Americans said increasing drug costs is their #1 health concern.